This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what you need: camera, a regular lens plus either an extension tube or a reverse ring adapter, and a solid tripod. Start by mounting the camera and attaching the tube or reversing the lens. This increases magnification without a macro lens. Once done, switch the lens to manual focus and enable live view magnification so you can see tiny details. Make sure ISO is low and steady light is arranged. These first actions give you control over depth and sharpness right away. Now refine composition and focus. Use live view magnified 5 to 10 times and nudge the tripod to frame the subject precisely, making sure background elements don't distract. You want a mid-range aperture, typically f/5, 6 to f/11, because it balances sharpness with usable depth of field. Smaller apertures cause diffraction at high magnifications. Once framed, use a remote shutter or 2-second timer and, if available, mirror lockup. Make tiny focus adjustments with the lens or camera focus fine-tuning until the sharpest plane is achieved. Finish by capturing a focus bracket. Take sequential shots shifting focus slightly from front to back so you can stack them later. Keep exposure consistent across frames and avoid moving the scene. Once home, load the stack into focus stacking software, blend the slices, then crop, clean noise, and apply subtle sharpening to reveal texture. If you're not getting sharp results, increase light to allow faster shutter speeds, back off magnification a bit, or take more bracketed frames. This single troubleshooting step fixes most focus problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.